Question number 7 says, water is flowing into a tank at a steady rate of 2 gallons per minute. Let T be the time in minutes since the process began, and let V be the volume in gallons of water in the tank. So part A says explain why V is a linear function of T and write an equation of change. Well, it says of charge. It should say write an equation of change for V. So for part A, we need to explain why it's a linear function. So this is because since the water flows in at a steady rate of 2 gallons per minute, the volume has a constant rate of change. Oops, I dropped my stylus. Constant rate of change. So essentially, therefore, V is a linear function with slope 2. So it also wants us to write an equation of change. An equation of change would just be dV over dt is equal to 2. Again, it's not 2t or 2v or 2x or anything like that. It's just 2. Part B wants us to find a formula. So it says, if initially there were 4 gallons of water in the tank, find a formula for V. So V is going to be equal to 2t plus 4. So I have my initial value of 4 here and my slope of 2 here. Let's look at part C. It says the tank can hold 20 gallons. How long will it take to fill the tank? So I want to set my equation equal to 20. And if I do that, then I can figure out what t is, or how long it's going to take. So 2t is equal to 16, t is equal to 8, and our unit of time is minutes. So it'll be 8 minutes. This was our answer, part B, and part A was dV over dt. So that'll be our answers.